word. So let's see question number B. Leela helps her mother every Sunday. So it's happening again and again, regularly. Every Sunday she is helping her mother. So Leela is the third person singular. With that we use the present form of doing word, but we add s. It becomes helps. Leela helps her mother every Sunday. She helped her mother last Sunday. Helped is the past form of doing word because it happened last Sunday. She helped her mother last Sunday. Praveen phones his aunt every evening. Every evening he is calling his aunt. So it's happening regularly. So we use the present form of doing word phone. But with that we add s because Praveen is the third person singular. Praveen phones his aunt every evening. He phoned her yesterday evening, which is already happened yesterday evening. So phoned is the past form of doing word. He phoned her yesterday evening. I get up early every morning. So it's every morning he is getting up early. So we add present form of doing word get. I get up early every morning. I got up at 5 o'clock this morning, which is already over. At 5 o'clock this boy got up. So we'll write got. Got is the past form of doing word. I drink milk every night. It's happening regularly. Every night he is drinking. So we'll write the present form of doing word drink. I drink milk every night. I drank milk last night. Last night, which is already happened last night. I drank. Drank is the past form of doing word. I drank milk last night. We go to Bengaluru every summer. It's happening again and again, regularly. Every summer they are going. So we go to Bengaluru every summer. Go is the present form of doing word. We went there last summer, which is already happened last summer. So went is the past form of doing word. We went there last summer. Let's see question number C. Here you have to use the correct form of doing word by seeing the sentence. I dashed for a walk yesterday. Yesterday means already happened yesterday, isn't it? So we write the went instead of go because went is the past form of doing word. I went for a walk yesterday evening. I dash for a walk every evening. Regularly he is going, isn't it? Every evening he is going. So we'll write go instead of went. I go for a walk every evening. Go is the present form of doing word. Mahesh dash a video last night. Watched or watches? It will be watched because here it's last night, which has already happened last night. So watched is the past form of doing word. We dashed 6 kilometers yesterday. Already happened yesterday. So walk or walked? Walked because it is the past form of doing word. We walked 6 kilometers yesterday. My brother dash the driving test last month. Passes or passed? Passed because it happened last month. My brother passed the driving test last month. Govind dash his shoes every day. Polish or polishes? Both polish or polishes are the present form of doing word. So which one to use? Polishes because Govind is the third person singular. So we add es with the doing word and it becomes polishes. Govind polishes his shoes every day. I dashed my homework an hour ago means 1 hour before he did. So it will be did because it is the past form of doing word and the sentence shows already happened 1 hour ago. I did my homework an hour ago. Yesterday, the boys dashed an elephant in the zoo. Ride or rode? Ride because it happened yesterday. Yesterday, the boys rode an elephant in the zoo. Mr. Hussain dashed chapatis every evening. Ate or eats? Eats because it's happening regularly. Every evening he is eating chapati. So Mr. Hussain eats chapati every evening. Because S is added with doing word because Mr. Hussain is the third person singular. Mr. Hussain eats chapati every evening. They dashed the shop at 9 o'clock last night. Last night, which is already happened last night. So we'll write close or closed. It will be closed. They closed the shop at 9 o'clock last night. Closed is the past form of doing word. Mr. Johnson dashed a new car last week. Buys or bought. It will be bought because it happened last week. Last week he bought the car. Mr. Johnson bought a new car last week. I dash a letter from Rajesh yesterday. Got or get? Got because he got it yesterday, which is already happened yesterday. I got a letter from Rajesh yesterday. Got is the past form of doing word. Mr. Joshi is my teacher. He dash English. Teaches or taught because he is still my teacher. So we'll write teaches. Mr. Joshi is my teacher. He teaches English. We dash Qutub Minar last week. Last week. We already visited last week. So visit or visited. Visited because it happened last week. We visited Qutub Minar last week. Visited is the past form of doing word. Anil and I dash in the park every evening. Regularly. Every evening they are meeting. So we'll write meet. Met is the past form of doing word and meet is the present form of doing word. Anil and I meet in the park every evening. So this is the last question, question number D. Here you have to change all the doing words, present form of doing words to past form of doing words because all the sentences are written in past form of doing words. We were in Hyderabad last week. We dashed Charminar. Visit will be visited because it happened last week. We visited Charminar. Is this sari okay? I dash for rupees 1200. Buy. Buy will change to bought because already she bought the sari. Is this sari okay? I dash for rupees 1200. Buy changed to bought. He dashed his car last month. Sale. Sale changed to sold because it happened last month. He sold his car last month. I was very tired and dashed to bed at 8 o'clock. Go changes to went. Go changes to went because it happened earlier. He was very tired, that's why he went to bed at 8 o'clock. Went is the past form of doing word go. Mr. Raman dash in America for 3 months. Stay. Stay changed to stayed because he was there for 3 months. Stayed is the past form of doing word stay. The window was open and a bird dashed into the room. Fly. Fly changed to flew because it was open. Now it's not open. The window was open and a bird flew into the room. The biscuits were very nice. I dash all the biscuits. Eat changed to ate because it's already happened earlier. He ate all the biscuits. The biscuits were very nice. I ate all the biscuits. Are you looking for the dog? I dashed it in the garden a few minutes ago. See changed to saw because it happened few minutes earlier. So saw is the past form of doing word see. He dashed a lot of work yesterday. Do. Do changed to did because it's talking about yesterday. He did a lot of work yesterday. Did is the past form of doing word do. I dashed for only 4 hours last night. Sleep. It happened last night. So sleep changed to slept. I slept for only 4 hours last night. Slept is the past form of doing word sleep. I can't eat anything now. I dashed a heavy meal an hour ago. means 1 hour before he had. It's happened 1 hour before. So have changed to had. I can't eat anything now. I had a heavy meal an hour ago. Had is the past form of doing word have. Somebody dashed my purse when I was at the bus stop. Steal changed to stole because it happened when he was at the bus stop. Somebody stole my purse when I was at the bus stop. With this, I am end up my video. Hope you all have understood. Thank you and have a nice day.